fans, I am really excited today to bring you an opening and review on these new Kinder Surprise Transformers figures. Oh yes, I have two of these triple packs to open. Please do stay tuned, as I do have a full tray of these to open as well, which I will be bringing to you shortly. But you can see some of the figures that you can get on the front there, and you are guaranteed at least one of the Transformer figures out of the 3 eggs that you get included in these triple packs. So let's open these up and see what we get. Our first toy is a motorised motorbike which does wheelies. So we have our first Transformer toy, and this one is Starscream. This time we got a bike for doing finger tricks with. It also comes with a stand as well, so you can rest it against the stand and stand it up. So let's open our second triple pack. This time we get a motorised car. This time we get a lion. And our Transformer figure this time is RC. So here is everything that we got out of 2 triple packs of the new Transformers Kinder Surprise eggs. Thanks for watching, and I will see you here next time on Toy Review TV.